Timeless Treasures, 1 box break. 13-14. Random team break. 1 spot, 3 random teams. I'm gonna do the random first. So here we go. We're gonna randomize the dice at the list 5 times. 5 times on the random. Here are the teams, and here are our spots taken. Chief Rock for 2, Dirty 31, Crazy Chiller 1, Janosch for 3, Plus the 1, and OCC for 2. Here are the teams. Randomize it 5 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1. Knicks on top. The Celtic at the bottom. 2, 3, 4, and the last and final time. Good luck. 5. The Spurs on top, and the Bobcats at the bottom. So, come on, take a pick quick. Alright, Chief Rock gets the San Antonio Spurs, the Denver Nuggets, the Sixers, the Pistons, the Jazz, and the Grizzlies. Dirty 30 gets the Wizards, Celtics, and Mavericks. Crazy Chiller gets the Knicks, Bucks, and Timberwolves. Janosch gets the Hawks, Magic, Nets, Raptors, Pelicans, Cavaliers, Blazers, Kings, and Bulls. Plusky gets the Warriors, Rockets, and Clippers. OCC gets the Heat, Thunder, Suns, Pacers, Lakers, and Bobcats. Alright, that's the random. On to the break. Good luck. Just 1 box. 3 total hits. Let's pull something nice. Here we go. Good luck. One pack only. Let me check quick. Okay. Here we go. The first card is for the Pelicans and Janosch. Drew Holiday, number 299. Next card is Paul Pierce for the Brooklyn Nets. The patch. Number 225, 4 of 25. White patch for the Nets. Who is the Nets? Nets has. Let me check. Should be Janosch, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yeah, Janosch gets this nice patch. Paul Pierce. The next card is the rookie auto. Jeff Withey for the New Orleans Pelicans and Janosch. Jeff Withey. The Pelicans. For the Phoenix Suns, Goran Dragic. Nice auto. Number 249. For the Phoenix Suns. Who has the Suns? Old Card Collector has the Suns. Nice one. And an insert for the Detroit Pistons. Joe Dumars for the Detroit Pistons. This one goes to Chief Rock. That's it. Thanks for the break. Thanks for joining. Peace.